Hello, in this video I will show you all differences between Redmi Buds 6 Pro and Redmi Buds 6. And first of all, we'll focus on the sound quality, then the functions that are available in the mobile applications, and finally on the quality of the both products. So, when it comes to the sound quality, the better choice, in my opinion, will be the Redmi Buds 6 Pro. There's actually no difference between them and the codecs, whether on Android or iOS, both work on the same codecs. And the difference is probably due to the fact that we have three drivers in the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, which you can find, this information you can find right here. And on the Redmi Buds 6, we can find dual drivers. Both devices produce a very pleasant sound, but the ones on the left are just a little bit better. It's not like, huge difference, but you can definitely hear that difference. And now let's move into these mobile applications. It actually looks the same for Android and iOS. So first of all, on the both devices, you can actually find the noise cancellation, but when you turn it on, there we go. As you can see, the difference is right here. So on the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, we can find ANC, the adaptive noise cancellation, which is not available right here, but also there's option for personalized noise cancellation. When we go into the transparency mode, we get actually the same three different modes. And now we can find the 3 modes of the Spotify Premium. And here we can find gestures. And here you will find the first difference with the functions, because on the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, you can find swipe up and down gesture, which is actually not available on the Redmi Buds 6. So there's one additional gesture, but in my opinion, it's not necessary because you can still change volume level and by selecting, for example, a single tap. There we go. And on the Redmi Buds 6, you can for sure also do this. Now, when you go into additional settings, we will be able to actually find some differences. So we got in-ear detection, ear-free tip test, there's dual connection for sure. We can take calls automatically. So here everything looks the same, but when we enter for audio effects, we can find, first of all, adaptive sound on the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, which is not available here. And when we go into dimensional audio, we can find track head movement. So it will enhance sense of space and direction for supported audio and video. And once you actually turn on immersive sound right here, you can change the scene rendering, which is not available on Redmi Buds 6. And what it does, basically, the spatial audio will work a little bit better on the Redmi Buds 6 Pro. And as I said before, there's also this track head movement. When you go into audio balance, so basically the sound equalizer, it actually looks the same. Take a look. There's all 4 default presets and the custom one. We can find both earbuds by using sound signaling. We can also update firmware by logging to the Xiaomi account. And by going to about earphones, we can just find some basic information like serial number. We can also find some hidden options. So on the both devices, you can use single mode. So like I did with the Redmi Buds 6, you can just put one earbud inside your ear. The second one you can leave in the case, and you can still hear music or make the phone calls. And it works the same for Redmi Buds 6 Pro. We can also find some hidden gestures about the phone calls. So on the both devices, when you double tap like this on the sensor, you can answer incoming phone call, or you can simply end the phone call when you are in the call. But when you triple tap, you will reject incoming phone call. And it works the same for the left and the right earbud. And on the both devices, you can find touch sensor at the top. So just right here. When you want to make some gestures, you have to just tap at the top. And also we can find microphone at the bottom. There's the single microphone right here. And here you can find 2 microphones for AI. And now about the quality of the both products. So in my opinion, they are made of the same materials. So touching both earbuds or the charging case, you cannot feel the difference in the quality of this plastic. So yeah, the both are actually made of the plastic, or for example of the ear tips. This is actually the same rubber right here on the Redmi Buds 6 Pro and on the Redmi Buds 6. And both earbuds are well made. I have no any issue with this device. And the same for the charging cases. And the only difference in favor of the Redmi Buds 6 Pro is the fact they are made of the matte plastic and not shiny like with the Redmi Buds 6, which will cause the earbuds to scratch less. So now for the charging cases. This one is from the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, and here you can find pairing button next to the USB-C port. It's good visible, but on the Redmi Buds 6, let me just show you, there is no button on the front, it's located right here. And trust me, in the real life, maybe in the camera it's actually good visible, but in the real life, it's really hard to spot that button. Both charging cases doesn't support wireless charging. And here we can find the LED indicator on the both devices. So when you connect this into the charger, you can find this charging animation. It actually looks the same for both earbuds. Just take a look. So yeah, this is all differences that you can find between Redmi Buds 6 and the Redmi Buds 6 Pro. I should actually keep them like that. And tell me what you think about both devices.